When you have nothing, people seem to forget you exist. They don't call, they don't check in, and they don't care about what you're going through. You're on your own, left to face your battles in silence. The ones who once laughed with you disappear, and the promises of support fade into empty echoes. No one asks if you're okay. No one notices the weight you carry. They only show up when they need something, but when you need them, all you hear is silence. But that's when you learn. You learn that loneliness makes you stronger. You learn that relying on yourself is the only way forward. You learn that your pain is your own, and no one is coming to save you. So you keep pushing, you keep fighting, because one day when you rise, those same people will remember your name. But by then, you won't need them, because you built yourself without them. And when they come back with fake smiles and empty words, you realize they were never truly there for you.